mga bata. Marami silang aso at pusat. Show what means to be a true Eucharist fellowship. Philippines, Christ in you is a reality, and that is the hope of glory for the Church. We who came from all the corners of the earth go back in hope because you have a strong faith as a bread to be broken with the world. On this day, last day, starts your office. I do not want to give a great theological treatise on Eucharist. Those were done admirably last 7 days by worthy speakers. Today, I want to talk in simple words to the people, especially to the families and the young, bringing in mercy and love as the core values of the Eucharist. Family.